saving money on your batteries for Arlo security system video next on TK's Niche Tips and Reviews. So I had a day off today from work and I'm doing a little things around the house, and the one thing I remembered, actually it was on my mind, it wasn't on my mind but it's been reminding me, is to change the batteries in my Arlo security system. And I was actually connecting SmartThings from my Galaxy to the Arlo app and realized, hey, I need to change the batteries. So I went ahead and had some batteries that came with the unit originally, and realized that the type of batteries that are used in this can get quite expensive, especially if they require you to change them about every 3 to 4 months. So when I bought the unit, I went ahead and decided to go ahead and buy rechargeable batteries, and I looked for the best deal. These ones are off Amazon and come probably, I'm sure they're manufactured in China, so I'm going to try them out. And so I just used the first batch of these rechargeable batteries because I finally used up the ones that came with the Arlo, and thought I would give you a review on that and show you what I use to save me money on the rechargeable. The Duracell batteries run about, I think like $24 for a pack of 12, which doesn't seem like a lot, but when you have to replace them every 3 or 4 months, then that becomes a problem. So you can see up here, when I come close, there's my Arlo up here. That's my back door one, the back patio I should say. So you can see it looks out on my back deck here, and my patio, not deck but patio in my backyard. So that one is for the security for the backyard. And let's go inside and then we'll go to the front one. I'm going to go to the front side and show you the other one. And let me go here. Let's take a look. We're going to go right to the front door. And so this is the outdoor here as well, the front door. So you can see that I've got a street and goes by, and we get solicitors all the time. So that Arlo system is right up here. You can see it. There it is right there. It's at the corner of the front porch here. And it works pretty well. It notifies me when there's someone at the door or solicitors or whatnot. So I'm going to show you the batteries that I have them in them now, or at least the front one. The back one I use the reusable. So let me grab this. So these are the Duracell, and they're the 123. It's called Duracell Ultra Lithium 123, and I just replaced these. These were pretty expensive. They run like about $26, $24. I'm sure you can get them a little lower for 12 of them. And I decided to do rechargeable. So let me go get those. I'm going to show you those as well. So one second. So here's the one I got. Is called Viki. And I'm going to switch to the other side of the camera here. Okay, so these are the Viki Rechargeable CR123A 16340 batteries from Viki. They come with a pack of 8 batteries. So there's the directions there. Comment card if you want to give it a review. I haven't done that yet. And then there's the rechargeable station. It's called the L-Ion battery charger. It's got the USB cord, and of course you could plug it into an electrical outlet if you had the adapter. And then it comes with this really nice plastic case, and then it comes with a total of 8 batteries. You can see I only got 4 left, but the good news is I was thinking I needed to probably buy more because the Arlo takes 4 batteries in each of the cameras. So if I'm rotating them, then I'm going to have, you would think you'd need another set of 4, actually another set of 8 to keep charging them. The good news is my front stoop is the one that gets the most use, so that wears out much faster. my backyard doesn't get as much use, so those batteries last longer. So I should be okay with the 8 batteries, and I should be able to, once these batteries wear out, I should be able to recharge them fairly quickly. May get maybe one more set of 4 just to be sure. But anyway, so let me give you the price on that too. At Amazon is, and once again, to me it was well worth it. I did a lot of research on it for the best price and the best reviews. So let me get that for you. Leaky batteries that I bought sometime last year are out of stock right now, but the concept still remains the same, of trying to find a good deal on rechargeable batteries that saves you the money and time to have to rebuy like Duracell or even the cheaper ones. I thought, I could go cheaper, or I could go with maybe a little bit of cheap but still rechargeable. So I went with the Viki, and there's a lot of choices on Amazon, but the one that there's one here that's for $30, and I'll show it up on the screen here shortly. My Viki cost me $23, and they work well because they're working right now in the current Arlo as well. But you can go to the link and take a look at the one that I do suggest. Otherwise, you want to really find one that has the rechargeable unit and at least 8 batteries. There's a bunch of them out there that run $75. I wouldn't spend that type of money, even though it probably pay in the long run. I'd stay below the $30 range if I were you. So there is a few out there, and I do have a link to one, and there'll be a picture showing up on the screen here to show you the one that you might want to take a look at. It has about a 5-star review. You're not going to get the best reviews on these, but for me they work fine. And take a look. In the meantime, the links below also be embedded in here in the video. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and click the alarm so that you'll be notified of my next videos. Talk to you later.